Hi there and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of Away in a Manger, which is one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melody hymns that you can find for free on my website at ukestuff.info. All you have to do is go to my website, ukestuff.info, go to Ukulele Music, scroll down to Works by Elizabeth Ragsdale, and you'll find the 100 chord melody hymns along with other resources that she offers for free. This is on page 13 of that book. Now, I'm actually recording this in 2025 when I'm actually working on Elizabeth's other collection, 100 chord melody songs, but because it's the Christmas season, I wanted to record a couple of her carols that you can find in the hymns collection. In this video, first I'll talk about what chord melody is, then I will demonstrate it on low G GC ukulele. Then I'll do a tutorial for the song. Then I'll follow up with a demonstration on GCA high G as well as baritone ukulele. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to this channel and my sister channel, so Uke Play-Alongs and Uke Stuff. And then finally, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. If you like chord melodies, I do have 2 books of advanced chord melodies available for purchase. They are on my Buy Me a Coffee page. They're also available as an Apple book. They're available on Amazon for Kindle and in print from Amazon as well. And if you're looking for more free resources, well, again, go to ukestuff.info, go to Ukulele Music. You will find a list of various resources, including other free arrangements by me, these works by Elizabeth. You'll find a link to the works by Tony Krimlisk, a link to the website of Spencer Gay, who does a lot of free work at Uke Education, and then you'll also find links to the paid works of the late ukulele Mike Lynch. Now, what is chord melody? Chord melody is a way to use just your thumb and to play either one note or parts of a chord to make it sound like you're playing the melody and harmony at the same time. It's an oral illusion because the last note you hear sticks in your head as the melody. You're going to be reading tablature to do this. So in tablature, there are 4 lines. The bottom line of tablature actually corresponds to the 4th string of the ukulele, which is closest to you. And the top line is connected to the 1st string or the string furthest away from you. So it's sort of like looking at your ukulele that way rather than thinking of it as a way when you look down it. So on this song, the first note has a 3 on the 1st string. So that 3 tells you that you want to play the 3rd fret of the 1st string, and because it's just the 3 and no other numbers, you just play that note. And that's how you play chord melody, thanks to tablature. Now, let's get into a demonstration of the song on low G GCA ukulele. All right, let's do a tutorial or a walkthrough through the song. I will say there is another version of Away in the Manger that is not this one. In my chord melody collection, I actually have both represented, actually as a medley. So just as you know, this is the one that is probably more commonly used in the United States. All right, we're going to start on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and play just that note. Now, what I did actually when I did my demonstration is I started with my 1st finger there, which is fine, but then I had to move my finger to play the F chord and add the pinky. So I probably just should have started with that shape and just left my pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret and made the F shape, but just played the 1st string. And then, since you're in this shape, F chord with the pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret. 1st string, 1st fret, 1st string open, F chord normal. 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 1st fret. Now, a B flat chord, but you don't have to bar anything. You're just putting the 1st finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and the 3rd finger on the 4th string, 3rd fret, just playing strings 4 through 2. 2nd string open, 3rd string, 2nd fret, Then jump over to the 4th-string 2nd fret and play strings 4 and 3. Repeat the 3rd string. Take your finger off the 4th string altogether and play strings 4 and 3. 3rd string 2nd fret, 3rd string open, strings 4 and 3 open, 2nd string 3rd fret, 2nd string open. Now make that B flat shape again, but you don't even have to put down the 1st finger if you don't want. And then it's strings 4 and 3. 3rd string open, 2nd string 1st fret, F chord. Add your pinky down, 1st string. Play the F chord with the pinky and the 1st string 3rd fret. 1st string 1st fret, 1st string open, F chord. 2nd string 3rd fret, 2nd string 1st fret. That B flat shape again, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string open, 3rd string 2nd fret, jump over to the 4th string 2nd fret, play strings 4 and 3. Repeat the 3rd string. C7 chord, all thing. 1st string open, 2nd string 3rd fret, F chord. 2nd string 3rd fret, 2nd string 1st fret. Now we're going to have a slightly different shape for a G minor in a different position. Your 1st finger is going to go on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and fingers 2 and 3 are going to go on the strings 4 and 2 at the 3rd fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. Leave your hand in that shape, play the 3rd string, lift up, play strings 4, 3, and 2, and F chord strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's Away in a Manger, that version on low G GC ukulele. Now let me demonstrate it on high G GC ukulele and then baritone as well. Now, just as the song was written for low G, it works well with high G. It also works with baritone. You just don't look at the written notes because you're actually playing a perfect fourth lower than the actual printed notes. You can read the tablature, just play the tablature as is, but don't try making the notes make sense because they won't. Here we go. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of Away in a Manger, as can be found in Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 Chord Melody Hymns, again available for free from Elizabeth on my website at ukestuff.info, ukulele music to her works. I imagine that since you're looking at this video and playing along with the Christmas Carol, you celebrate Christmas, so allow me to wish you a very Merry Christmas. And again, thanks for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.